What's up, everybody? Getting to the end of the day here. It's about 5 o'clock, but we had some storms roll through, so we had to do a little cleanup. The goats are happy. They're loving it. We had a tree fall down, and this tree fell right here. That I don't really like the way it's set up anyways, but there's our power line running that runs through it. That's the way the owners had it set up for us, and I haven't got around to do anything. But this big branch here fell down and fell right on it, knocking it off. That pole there just had some legs in it holding it up there, so for temporary right now I just got to come along. That's as tall as my ladder went. I got another come along, so I'll have to probably get the tractor and loader and do the old farmer trick of putting the ladder in the bucket to get up high enough to re-bolt it up there. But right now we just got the power turned off. You can see it ripped off the house too here. So, but we've been getting, last night we had good storms, 2 inches of rain. Today just one little cell came through. When I was driving home from work, Luke Snapchatted me a picture of the tree down and the storm, and it was rolling through pretty good. But like a mile away, they didn't get nothing, no rain, so we just caught a little bit of the storm. But I think right now my plan is, and I talked to Nikki about it a little bit, is sucks because she just got the pool set up, but since this line is down and that branch hangs over that line, and this tree is not doing the best anyways, I think this weekend we're going to, or I'm going to cut this tree down before I get this power back up. And I might, this is a big tree though, I think I'm just going to leave this one for now. I might limit up a little bit. But as you can see from the branches right down at the base there, it blew really hard this way. So yeah, so that was fun to come home to. I don't know what would it take us, hour and a half to clean up. I used Luke's little handsaw, cleaned it up. Well, we'll use a chainsaw to clean the rest of that up, or the tractor. But yeah, we got other stuff to do. Luke's got funny glasses on that makes him see upside down.
I want them to try them.
No, I'm not trying them on. But yeah, we got other stuff to do tonight, so that's cleaned up enough so where we can at least drive through here for the time being. The only downside is the barn had the fencer in, so the fencer is going to be off for a little while. But and there'll be no power in the ranch shed or the big shed there either for the time being.
Dad, I want them to see upside down.
Huh?
Can I see upside down?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. But yeah, on another note, we tried, so for the last couple days, for quite a while, we've just had the goats in this 4-strand electrified. We just got them by the red shed here and are in the round pen, and they've been doing real good with that, so that might be a new thing for them. We can rotate them around. But yeah, they have half a tree there to eat up and clean up, and then I'll cut it all up and deal with it later. But everybody have a good night. That's update from us today. Hopefully we're done with the storms for a while. Yeah, we're going to do that right now. How'd she get over there? Better make sure it's actually gas in here.
Cutting down a tree. Can I come closer? Can I back up? wood over here. Oh, it's red. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What?
All right, what's up, everybody? Another day here on the homestead. We talked last time about cutting this big tree down in front of the house. So we did it. It's all cut down. I got it cut up enough here to where we're gonna let the goats in. Let the goats in to eat all the leaves off this to make it easier to cut up and get out of here, and we'll use the wood for firewood. But we got Ayla here. She's helping take the fence down there. We're gonna take this temporary fence down and put it around this tree for the goats to eat for a couple days. And then we're gonna put the power line back up here. That's one reason I cut that tree down, because it was hanging over this line that got knocked down by this tree. But I don't want to cut all these trees down, so we're gonna leave this tree. I might limit a little bit more, like right there where it goes in, but yeah. Then we're gonna put fence around this, get that line up, and get the goats around and get them eating on it. So we got this temporary fence set up. All the goats and sheep are in here, and I'm gonna let them eat all these leaves. And they'll love it. And then we'll come back. I'm hoping by Sunday they got a lot of it eaten, so I can get a bunch of this cleaned up this weekend yet. Yeah, they'll love this. But I'm gonna go grab a little fencer to put on this.
They can sleep under here if it rains.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab a fencer so they don't test this fence. Yeah, don't go under there though.
Yeah.
I cut as much of this up as I could to get to lay down, but yeah, so we took this down here, moved them over to here, and got this tree down. I got that line kind of up. I got to go up to that, up to right there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I'll set scaffolding up or something, but I'm already, what was that, 20 foot, 20, yeah, probably 20 feet in the air. I got to get a couple more feet up there, so yeah, we'll let these guys eat and go from there. Everybody have a great night. We'll see how they do on the day here. What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's Monday morning. I cut this tree down Saturday afternoon.
pretty big tree out in front of our yard. But we put the goats out here in this temporary pen, and they about got it cleaned up, or really, really well compared to what it was. A little bit here they can't reach, which is expected. But time I get home from work, I don't know if you can see in the video, they'll have everything. Looks like it's just seeds, those little helicopter seeds that are left. And then I can get this tree cut up and get it out of here. Get the brush on the burn pile. Bigger stuff will stack up to dry for the wood stove. But yeah, they did their job real well for what I wanted them to do, just for ease of moving this tree and getting it out of here. There's your update on that tree and how the goats did. Yeah, they took just say 2 days to eat this whole tree, pretty much the leaves off this whole tree.